boys and girls. So for today's science video, we are going to do salt painting. So what you're going to need is some salt that you will see teacher put in a little bowl, Then you're going to need a picture. You can either draw your picture or you can ask mommy or daddy to print one for you. Either way is fine. Then you're going to need small paintbrushes. We're going to need some food coloring. So I have my green and I have my yellow. And then what you're going to need is your white glue. So the first step that we're going to do is you're going to take your picture and on the black lines, you're going to draw with the glue. So you're going to cover it only on the black lines with glue. So teacher's going to do that and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, boys and girls, so you can see teacher covered her butterfly with the white glue. Then I'm going to take my salt and I'm going to drizzle it all over the glue. So you don't have to use a lot of salt. You just need to use enough to cover all the glue. So we're going to do that. And remember that this can get very messy. So remember to put some put a black bag or even a piece of newspaper on the table to cover it. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dust all the excess salt off and then we're going to see what's going to happen next. So there we go. So my butterfly is covered in salt. You can look closely. Then you can see it's salt and we must wait for it to dry and then we're going to do our painting. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, teacher, what I did is I put a little bit of water in a bowl and then I just added a few drops of food coloring. So you will see this is my green one. You can just mix it a little bit. And then my other color is the red one. You can also mix it a little bit. So now what we're going to do is we're going to paint our butterfly or whatever picture you have. So teacher is going to try and do it and zoom in so you guys can have a look. And let's see if something is happening. So we're going to... Okay, so what we're doing or busy doing is you're going to take your little paintbrush and you're going to dip it on, just make a little dot and you will see how the paint flows. So without you using real paint, you're just going to use this. And if you dip it on, you will see that the salt, look, the salt is running with the colors. So you don't even need to use a lot. You just put a drop and it runs. Okay, so that is a good thing. Another drop and it runs. Now teacher wants to use the green for my other wing. Just a drop. And look there. What happens? It turns the salt green. Now isn't that a fun activity, guys? It's almost like magic. Don't you think? Okay. Okay, so let's do this corner. If you look carefully, you will see you put a drop. And look, it's running. Isn't that cool? This is such a fun activity. Look at that. You just tap it, a drop. And then it runs. Okay, teacher's going to finish her butterfly. And then I'll show you. Okay, boys and girls, there's teacher's butterfly. What you need to do is before you start painting, please wait that your glue is really dry and your salt. Teacher made a mistake and I started too early. Some of my glue went dry. So you can see in the middle of my butterfly, it's a bit squashed. But yeah, you guys can do any picture any way you want. And please remember to send teacher a picture of you and your salt painting. Love you guys. Bye-bye.